Hi guys, I'm Rick. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making slow cooker pot roast. Okay, I'm starting out here with a cup of hot water on the microwave for a few minutes in the microwave. I'm going to add in a cup of onion soup mix. Now this is beefy onion, but you can also use regular onion soup mix. Give that a stir. And I have 2 packs of brown gravy mix. I'm going to add those in. Nice and stirred up there. It seems kind of thick, but the roast is going to put off a lot of juices. Right now in my slow cooker. Alright, I have an almost 2-pound London broil roast here. I'm going to put in my slow cooker. I'm going to add my gravy and onion soup mixture in there. Okay. I have my slow cooker set on high. I'm going to leave it on high for about 2 hours. Then I'm going to turn it down to low and I'm going to let this cook all day. Okay, my roast has been cooking in the slow cooker on high for about 2 hours. I turned it down low and I went ahead and cut up some carrots, celery, and potatoes. And I'm going to add those in there if I can get them in without spilling them all over. Just tuck them down in there. Now I'm going to put the cover back on and let this cook for about another 5 hours on low till about 5 o'clock. Alright, my roast is done. It's been slow cooking now for about 8 hours. So let me get that out. And about 2 hours into it, 3 hours into it, I added some potatoes, carrots, and celery into the gravy mixture. Just let me plate this up. Alright, now I'm going to thicken up this gravy with a little bit of Wonder Flour. If you don't like your gravy thick, it's good to go right on the slow cooker like this. But I like it a little thicker. And if you don't have Wonder Flour, just mix a little flour and water together and slowly stir that in there to thicken it up. Alright, I'm going to slice up my roast beef now. There goes that hand again. Yeah, there, Zach. Alright. Alright, let's plate this up. Threw together some mashed potatoes and I have peas over here. And not to forget some of these vegetables. And then some gravy. Alright, there you have it. Homemade pot roast in a slow cooker. Give this a try. I think you'll like it. Until next time, I'll see ya.